हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति। आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति। दिस इज़ जुलाई जैम्स। आई एम होपिंग टू अपलोड न्यू episode every single day at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That is if I can catch up with recording, with writing. I'm excited to be here. I'm currently living in Mumbai. I'm 31. I don't have a job at the moment. I'm living on gratitude and gossip. Humble हूँ, चुटकी भर घमंड के साथ। हाँ जी। Okay, here goes nothing. Every time I open my private account on Instagram. So I have a personal account and I have a public account. In my personal account I follow mostly my school and college friends, and so every time I open my private account and I see this specific married woman with her husband and baby, I'm reminded of the times where I begged her to set me up with someone, like anyone from her network of friends. So this was that one person who was very social. She had a lot of friends and everything, and I thought, what, maybe I can reach out to her. But yeah, I don't know, looking back on it, you would call it desperation. I also call it desperation, but I also said, yeah, desperate times call for desperate measures. You know what she told me? She told me all her friends were either married or too old for me. I'm like, really? Really? I don't know, yaar. Considering this was pre-pandemic ki baat hai. This was, I guess, back in 2018, 2019, 2019, 2020 probably, I don't know, pre-pandemic, when my parents had already started looking and they set me up with a bunch of people, and I had ended up chatting with a couple of them and nothing was really sticking. So of course I took measures into my own hand. I felt ashamed कि यार even at the age of 30 I have to ask my parents to set me up with somebody. Is like, that's just disgusting and it's clearly not even working. अब वो भी workout नहीं हो पा रहा है. So of course, desperate times में मैंने काम किए हैं ऐसे. I of course reached out to a couple of people. I've told them, hey, I'm single, I love to be set up, and not a single positive response. So here I am. So I asked myself, what is it that was triggering? How did this episode even happen today? I think it was a mixture of a couple of things for me at this point. My mom paid a visit last month and she told me something. She said, move back home, Aditi. That way you can do your masters. You wanted to do your masters, do it. But just move back so that सस्ते में हो जाएगा सब कुछ. That honestly made me feel very angry because moving back to my hometown literally meant I am taking a step back in my life. But financial point of view से ठीक है, she was correct. I might have gotten my master's degree for cheap, but we don't know if the quality of education would be worth even that much that I was paying for. At this moment in time, I'm considering it. I don't know if it's a good or bad decision, but yeah, the conversation needs to happen with my parents. Second thing that triggered me was the topic, the conversation of marriage, of course. So after watching my brother go out on multiple dates, here I was wondering, how the fuck are you doing it, brother? Like, how are you doing it? How do you have the courage to go out? How do you have that enough fucks to give? But you still have to care enough to go out, to say yes and go out. I don't have that in me. ab nahi hai. So a lot of times I feel like I need people around me to be watching them do such things, taking charge, going out on dates. I want to surround myself with people who take charge, who lead, so that I feel inspired and replicate those actions. Courage is contagious, 110% correct. The saying of you are average of 5, in my case you lead with example वाला सिनेरियो बहुत 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 रियल है. अगर आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं है वर्किंग वुमेन को, तो आप कभी यकीन ही नहीं करोगे कि वुमेन काम कर सकती है. वुमेन आर ओनली रेस्ट्रिक्टेड. यू नीड टू सराउंड योर सेल्फ विद पीपल हु आर गोइंग आउट ऑन डेट्स, हु आर killing it at their job, who are working day in and day out. You have to surround yourself with positive female protagonist in your life, female heroines in your life, जो actually lead कर रहे हैं. and वो एग्जाम्पल आपके सामने जब तक नहीं होगा, वो बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि आपको सही में लगेगा ही नहीं करके क्या हो रहा है. like you might not find yourself in those scenarios ever until unless you actually see them. Yeah. Anyways, my brother went out on a date and I was like, कैसे कर रहा है? And then I had to remind myself कि Aditi, as a boy, yes, not a man, as a boy, he has got nothing to lose and a lot more to gain with marriage, period. And ये universal and this does not even stick to him specifically. This sticks to all of the men all across the globe. Men have got, at certain point, they've got, at least Indian men have got nothing to lose. They've only got to gain with marriage. And then another huge, big event that currently is occurring, I've thought and I've dug through deep in my life, is my best friend is getting married. Lol. द सेइंग, दोस्त जब फेल होता है ना तब बुरा तो लगता है, बट वही दोस्त जब टॉप कर जाए ना तो और भी बुरा लगता है. या बाय गॉड. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि यार मैं पीठ पीछे चुगली कर रही हूँ, आपको ऐसे बता रही हूँ पीठ पीछे आके उसके बारे में ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, नहीं. आई हैव सेड दिस टू हर फेस, सो देयर इज़ नथिंग रियली फॉर मी टू हाइड हियर. आई एम लाइक, मैं बिच करूँगी तो तेरे मुँह पे बिच करूँगी. मैं इतनी फट्टू नहीं हूँ, मैं इतनी कावड़ नहीं हूँ कि आई डू इट एट योर बैक, बिहाइंड योर बैक. आई वोंट डू दैट एवर. That's just not my style. I told her on her face, I'm so fucking jealous. Like, what a bitch. How can you be this badass bitch? How are you doing it? How did you lose so much weight? Like, I feel so inspired. I tell her in front of her face and she's always very appreciative of it. कि भाई thank you, तू मेरे को मेरे चेहरे पे बोल रही है. Thank you. हमेशा she's been like that कि वो हमेशा मुझे थैंक यू बोलेगी. ऐसा हमारा रिलेशनशिप आ गया. एंड शी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स स्टिल शी अंडरस्टैंड्स कि इफ़ आई एम जेलस आई टेक इट पॉजिटिवली एंड देन आई टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज. एंड फिर वो गुड ही हो रहा है, वो जेलसी से गुड ही हो रहा है मेरे भी लाइफ में. उसके लाइफ में ऑलरेडी गुड हो चुका है. मैं जेलस होकर मेरे को भी ऐसे करना है, मेरे को भी पतला होना है, मेरे लाइफ में भी अच्छा ही हो रहा है. That's great, right? And so next time she sees me working out or going on a date, she always cheers on me ki yes, you can do it, something like that. So at this point in time in 2024, I'm finally starting to understand how to love myself better and to understand that I have a voice, that my voice matters, and if I don't speak up, people will speak up on my behalf and I'll be unhappy. Finding my voice, who I am, what I need, and finally feeling okay with being alone. Believe me, it is a work of art to find solitude hot and sexy and attractive and peaceful, to find confidence within yourself, to forgive yourself for all the missed opportunities. Yeah, I've been there, and I've been told to count my blessings every single day. I don't have, like, my workout, my trainer told me, Aditi, you don't have a cribbing mother-in-law. You don't have a mother-in-law. You don't have a man-child that needs to be raised. You don't need to communicate or even argue with anybody. You can decide where you want to go out, how you want to go out, what you want to wear. You don't have to do anything without thinking. तेको जो तू मन मर्जी करे कर, कोई रोक टोक नहीं है तेरे पास. तू बहुत बहुत सुखी है. That's what she kept on telling me, and somewhere maybe I was like, yes, maybe I'm not grateful, so I just have to take a minute here and understand what she's saying, because she came from a bigger perspective as well, better bhi nahi, but different perspective. So I was like, yes, you're right. Like, I don't really have to answer to anybody. Yeah, मैं खुद की मन की मालिक हूँ. Yes. But yet I find myself, regretting and going back to the same fuck all chutia guy. That's all I can say, or at least the thought of what could have happened if I had simply said yes to just a date. That's all he asked for. Over time, one of my biggest regret is saying no for a date that I was offered. Back then, this, we're talking about 2017, okay? Back then it felt like, I wasn't good enough. I didn't have a job. That meant I won't be able to afford to take this person out on a date. Or what if he decides ki bhai, we are splitting up the bill, and then I don't have the money to even split that bill, because I'm pretty sure वो 50 से $60 जितना तो बिल आता ही अगर आप 2 लोग बाहर खाने जा रहे होगे तो. So I was living in California. California is one of the most expensive cities in USA, and I was miserable, man. I was throughout miserable. But ये regret अभी भी haunt करता है कि उसने मेरे को इतनी बार पूछा होगा और मैं इतनी बार शर्मा नहीं गई, but शर्म, आई वॉज मिजरेबल, शर्म आती थी, पैसे नहीं थे, मैं अच्छी नहीं थी, आई वॉज जस्ट नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन माई सेल्फ, राइट? There was always something, I didn't feel good enough or look pretty enough, or I didn't have a job. What will I tell this guy if he asks me? Or my lack of confidence in believing in myself that, I'm not worthy of being approached or chased, or even for a hot minute, I did not even think कि मैं कुछ हूँ. I'm pretty sure I ignored a few red flags here and there when we chatted, but my brain and my heart is fucked up and really does want to romanticize a what could have been scenario that I do not recommend anybody to go through. No, never romanticize about what could have been, because it's in the past. I sometimes really wonder if I missed this connection, and if I really missed this connection, and if this missed connection ever stalks my Instagram profile or even listens to this podcast by any chance. Like he was a super swipe on Tinder for me, and the last thing I saw him posting on his Instagram was he had gotten engaged to somebody, and that was the end of it all. He had immediately, I believe, unfollowed me after that, and then I was like, मैं क्या ही करूँ इसको follow करके अब, like it would just hurt moving forward, so there's no point in following. But for the two people listening, do you ever check in on someone and see where they are in life right now, and what life could have been like if you had simply said yes or no? And should I, like a dumb buffoon that I am, should I hit follow to his account today? Let me know. What do you think? What would you do? I'll talk to you tomorrow, right? Bye.